Today, we are looking for the biggest snake here at Townsville. So we should start it. It's 9:17 p.m. And Richard, can you call the biggest snake? I hear the snake somewhere there. The snake. You can see here the skin. This is the clues. The clues. Zoom in, zoom. It is said that the snake is.
Saan ba yan?
Sabon. Yung ano, yung...
Wait!
Yung taga rito. Kunyari, di ba, Pilipino tayo. Taga Africa. Ito yung taga Africa.
Wala.
Na alam na alam.
Michael, look at this!
Oh my God.
Oh my God! It's a sock.
You know,
It's a dead pig. It's a dead human foot. It's an athlete's foot. Today we will interview what do you call that? Tiga dito. The native. We will going to interview a native.
gago na sisira yung camera, baka may multo.
Mr. Allen. We want you to the snake again.
Gago si Richard. Nakakasa.
Look at this, Michael. Ano naman?
Oh my God. Wow, amazing. Basag.
Uy, basag.
It's a human race. Wasak.
Can you smell it?
Habana.
Can you smell it?
It's a Habana.
Can you smell it? Can you determine? Ano people?
We are really close to the big snake. We are very close to the biggest snake. Somewhere right here.
Nakakasarap po.
It's supposed to be right here. Let's start to search.
Can you smell it?
I can't. Bafinos today.
Native, ano na native?
Native, can you tell us
Interview mo na
where is
siya.
the big snake?
Interview mo na si Alin.
It is said that the big snake is big.
Si Big Dog.
And he eats a lot of bananas. That's why we are here at a farm.
Farmville.
Look at the left, the right. There's a car.
There's a car.
They're searching for the biggest snake too.
Doon lang nalalan.
Look at that.
Ano, lumabas nga maraming ahas, oh.
Kinaisipin din.
Pangbuwan.
His favorite food is mikmik. Where's the big snake here?
Yan sa may ano. Sa sagingan. Sagingan. Yan, oh.
Oh, there. We will go at Chris' house
To be continued.
to be continued. Let's take a break.